Is indoor air quality a concern for you, your staff, and the people who utilize your facilities? The best dust control program consists of both traditional mops and microfiber products based on each cleaning application and will vary in each building. Golden Star is excited to announce that we will be exhibiting at the upcoming Gym Supply Cleaning Festival. It's free to register at the site below. Golden Star is the largest manufacturer of hard surface cleaning products in the United States, and I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how we can help you reduce your labor costs while keeping your building clean, safe, and healthy all at the same time. Our products range from a complete offering of traditional mops, such as our patented Infinity Twist dust mops and Barricade wet mops, as well as a complete offering of our microfiber products and systems, which includes our Pearl wet mop, Infinity Plus dust mop, and our large assortment of microfiber cloths. I'm Derek Conway, and I look forward to discussing your cleaning needs when I see you at the upcoming Gym Supply Cleaning Festival.